Hi there and welcome to my channel Creavies. I'm Vicky and in this video I thought I'd show you these new colored pencils and some blenders that I just got. I'm a patron of Bonny Snowdon and the dog eye that I drew here that you can see in the background is one that I did from a focus video tutorial available on the $5 tier. I drew it with polychromos and a white luminance on Arches hot pressed watercolor paper. The core pencils are the recommended pencils for drawing different types of fur, but the ones that I show in this video are the must-have ones, except for a few ones that I already had in the polychromos set of 60 pieces. The remaining of polychromos must-haves you can see in this little box. So if you already got the whole set of 120 polychromos, then you should be all set. Now this list of core pencils you also get from the $5 tier at Bonny Snowdon's Patreon site. So if you want to learn to draw furry animals, you should consider becoming a patron of hers. The core set list consists of quite a lot of pencils from Faber-Castell's Polychromos, Carandacs, Luminance and Pablos, and also the Derwent Drawing, Studio and Lightfast series. It's absolutely brilliant if you feel a bit lost in what colored pencils to get, because there sure is a lot out there on the market. The colorless blenders from Carandac are basically made of the binder of a colored pencil. So when used, it leaves a soft matte film on the surface that you can only see when light is reflected on it. So at first glance you don't notice it at all. I did this little quick test with the various layers of colored pencils to see how it worked with the blender. I couldn't really see a big difference in the pupil of the dog's eye because it was tested on such a small area, but the murky color test showed a nice even surface. Since I just got these blenders, I'm definitely going to experiment some more to see where they work best in a colored pencil art piece. There are also the paper stump and a soft brush to use as blenders. But it depends on both paper type and what colored pencils you're using, and of course what personal preferences you might have when drawing. Well, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in another video. Bye!